Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have pretty nice conditions in store for us today, but as we go through the week, those temperatures will be climbing. Pretty hot and humid conditions in store for us as we get to the middle portion of this week. Temperatures reaching around 90 degrees each day as we go through the midweek period. But today, looking at temperatures maxing out in the mid 80s, right around average for this time of year. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see surface high pressure right along the mid-Atlantic coast this morning, providing us with those tranquil weather conditions. Area of low pressure off the southeast coast that will slowly be making its way westward towards the coast as we go through the afternoon and evening hours tonight. And it does look like there is the potential that this area of low pressure could be named as a tropical storm before making landfall later this evening along the Georgia, South Carolina coast. Really not going to impact weather here at Wallops, but something to take note of off our southeast coast this morning. We'll look at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, and you can see those winds generally out of a southwest direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, turning more easterly in direction as we get up to around 25,000 feet this morning, and a pretty light wind regime throughout the column, with our max winds really at the lower levels of the atmosphere around 1,000 feet, where we see those winds at 17 knots. Freezing level this morning was at 14,700 feet. Taking a live look at our conditions here at Wallops, looking off to the south here at Wallops Island, you can see mainly just some low cumulus build-up this morning. But for the most part, we're going to continue to see just partly cloudy skies with nice conditions continuing on into the morning and afternoon hours. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see that area low pressure making its way a little closer to the coastline this morning. You can see most of that convection off to the west of the center of circulation exposed this morning, and it'll continue to drift off to the west and towards the coastline as we go into the evening hours tonight. You can see that surface high pressure really clearing us out here along the mid-Atlantic with no real threat for any kind of significant weather here for us today and on through the next couple of days, where we will see very little in the way of precipitation chances. Let's take a look here at our European model and what we can expect as we go throughout the week. And we are looking at dry conditions again, continuing today on into tonight and into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. As you see, activity staying away from the Wallops region. As we get into the evening hours of Thursday, we're going to start to see a frontal boundary approach the region. This is Thursday afternoon. Everything's still off to our north and west. But as we go into the nighttime hours, Thursday into Friday, things become a little bit more active closer here to Wallops, with the showers and thunderstorms beginning to make their way a little closer to our area, and a better chance of those showers and thunderstorms occurring during the day on Friday. So looking at conditions getting a little bit more unsettled as we go into our holiday weekend, and looking at a pretty decent chance of some showers and thunderstorms for both Friday and Saturday. European model drops the front south of our region and provides us with some pretty nice conditions for Sunday. However, some of these other models that we look at have kind of slowed the progression of that front and stalled it out over the area on Sunday as well. So right now, still looking at the potential for some scattered showers and thunderstorms for your 4th of July holiday, but we'll continue to monitor and provide you with updates as we get more information later this week. Taking a look here at our next 24 hours, you can see no hazards to be concerned with. Really, the only comment here would be the slight chance of some low cloudiness and fog as we go into the overnight hours tonight into early Tuesday morning. Looking for a daytime high today of 85 degrees with south-southwesterly breezes at around 8 to 13 knots, potentially gusting up to around close to 20 knots as we go into the afternoon and evening tonight. Looking at our next 7 days, again, really no precipitation chances for today, Tuesday, or Wednesday, and then we enter those chances Thursday night with a slight chance of PM thunderstorms. Looking for very warm conditions. Generally, we're running about 84 degrees for a daytime high. This time of year, we're looking at forecast for temperatures in the low 90s as we go into Wednesday and Thursday. And temperatures for the end of the week into the weekend will be highly dependent on the placement of that frontal boundary. If it drops south of our area, we could see temperatures cooling quite a bit. If it stalls just north of our area, we're going to see these temperatures, even for Saturday and Sunday, a bit higher than what we have them here. But right now, looking at the best chances for rain Friday and Saturday, with a little lower chance coming on Sunday, as it does look like most of that energy will drop south of the area. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.